So in this video I have two pairs of sneakers from this company called Dizygotic. This is like some of the best independent work I've seen from footwear, so much so that I decided to do a dedicated video just for them on this, not paid or anything. But they did send the shoes over and I want to show you guys what they sent, so let's go ahead and jump in. What is going on, guys? Hess here. Hopefully you're having a good day out there. Thank you for stopping by and watching. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Collective Kicks is where I post a bunch of sneaker deals that I find for you guys on the web. Go check that out in the description. And this company is nuts. So Dizygotic is the name of it. You can see the butterfly effect on the box right here. There's two boxes. And this is one of those sneaker companies I specifically remember. I was in Vegas when they reached out to me months ago. And the product that they showed me in the images, I was just like blown away. I was like, this is nuts. The concept for what they do is crazy, and like I was very interested in the product, and I get a lot of random emails from companies asking if I can feature your product and stuff like that. But this was one that I saw the images, I was like, oh yeah, I mean, like whatever, yeah, send me a pair of those for sure, because I want to see. And they sent both of the pairs that they had. So this is the box. As you can see, it's split down the middle. This pair features that blue, purple, and green theme to the shoes, but you'll notice something about them, and it's that they are same but different. And that's the thing about this company that I was like totally like blown away with what they were trying to accomplish. Every pair of sneakers that this company makes is mismatched pairs, but they flow together so well that it looks like they really kind of just belong together. So we've seen a lot of the Nike What The sneakers, like obviously the SB lows were the ones that kind of started the wave, at least from what I remember. But they're just a crazy hodgepodge of different bunch of things. This is stuff that there's like just more harmony within what they're creating. Anyways, that's one pair. This is the other one. Honestly, I think I like this one the best, but both of them are really solid. And this is the other one. So you can see the soles are different. The upper is mismatched also, but done in such a really dope way. A little bit more information about the brand specifically for those wondering. The logo is a butterfly with asymmetrical wings. So the wings actually are a little bit different, which is something that I didn't notice at first. The name is Dizygotic, which is fraternal twins, things that originally expected to be the same but are actually different. It comes with some information cards on both of the products. Give you just a little bit about the designer and what these things are supposed to be. Mizuhiro, I believe is what it says here. If I mispronounce, I apologize. It's a Japanese graffiti artist from Osaka, was influenced by local graffiti culture and began to paint in 1998. In 2008, he went to Brazil and drew inspiration from there, and currently he's just an artist around the world, but he did the art on here. On the back, it tells you a little story about it, like a demon and a dumpling, pretty rad. But the presentation of the box down to the product in hand is really dope. You have a white set of laces, then you have the regular rope laces that come on both of them, and then you have a mismatched set of flats as well. So I like that they continue that mismatched theme through the entire product. And lastly, you get a DZ logoed butterfly pin that comes in the box as well. And again, one of those things I really dig about the product is they could have just gone with a generic pin with just black and white sort of colors, but they actually went with pins with the stones that are the same colors as the products individually, so they didn't even cheap out on some of these extras that they could have easily. This pair is designed by a Japanese tattoo artist from Akura. In 2002, they started to practice Japanese traditional tattoos, and he is known for his various styles of frog tattoos. Makoto Horimatsu, I believe is how you say his name. And this pair is dope as well. You can see the embroidery on the back is different than the other pair. You have the Dizygotic logo on one shoe and then different branding on the second shoe. At first glance, again, you can look at both of these shoes and go, yeah, they look the same. But really, there's just a couple primary elements of the shoe that are the same on both of them, and then the rest is mismatched. And so an example, the tongue color is the same on both of them. The piping around where the laces are the same. The section that comes right across the toe box is the same, and then that little bit of wave of suede right here on the side is the same. But other than that, this is where things get crazy. The outsoles are different. Obviously, the logos are different. The pull tabs have different text. The logos on the tongue are different. The reverse sides of the tongue liner is different. The liners are different. The nylon reinforcement on both sides is different. Also, you do have these little small triangles that add a little bit of pop right here. Those are different colors on both pairs. The back tab color, the mud guard, the toe box, the mud guard in the front, all different colors. They're all transposed colors. The D and the Z are done in different colors. The A for alpha is done in different colors. I love the execution of what they did in this product. It's just really mind-blowing. Like, can you imagine taking your small startup business to manufacturers and try to have them manufacture this? Like, it's got to be so incredibly complicated. The way that they design these, I mean, it gives you kind of like a 90s runner sort of feel, but done in the best way. The materials are actually really nice on here also. Another crazy detail about the shoe is there's no single line design with the overlays. Like, I'm telling you, the details that they created these with. Like, that's a pretty crazy design element to want to throw in your shoe. And again, I didn't realize that at first. Just the curvature of all of the cut and sew parts of the upper is insane. You also do see the butterfly wing on this side and this side. And again, they're not symmetrical. It shows a little bit of bumps on this side. It doesn't have it on the other. Again, just nuts for details. I'm telling you guys, every single detail on these shoes are absolutely crazy. I'll link them in the description if you guys want to buy them. It's non-affiliated. I don't get any money from any of the sales from this product, but it's just one of those things I wanted to put you guys on because it is such a cool story behind it. And I got to talk to some of the team that worked on these shoes and just creating them, the challenges they went through just with creating the boxes, the idea that there's no straight lines on the upper, just all of the details about the shoe are just absolutely incredible. And these are truly a work of art. Both pairs of these are absolutely insane. Big shout out to Tien for working with me on these, man. But what do you guys think about the brand, the concept, everything in between about Dizygotic? Leave a like on the video if you guys like the review of like the small brand pair of sneakers like these, because this is one of those things that it's hard to break out in this industry, but I really think they did a tremendous job on these. The materials are great, the concept is great, the model silhouette is great, and then when you get into the asymmetrical butterfly detailing on the shoe and the fact that it's like the same but different color blockings on each of the shoe, like it's absolutely nuts. Like I could spend an hour breaking down each of these shoes because there's so many details to cover. Also, which colorway do you guys like the best? Do you guys like this one or this one? I like both of them, to be honest, but leave a comment in the comment section which is your favorite, the purple, green, blue joints or the purple and gray joints over here. Anyways, leave some comments, let me know what you guys think about the product, and I do appreciate y'all for stopping by and watching. Have a good rest of the day, and hopefully we'll see you back for some more videos. All right, peace guys.